everyone, today we are going to do apple tree match. First you need colorful A4 paper, scissors or knife, glue, pencil. Remember to ask an adult to help you with the scissors and knife. Draw and cut a trunk of a tree shape. Draw and cut a cloud for the tree leaves. Draw and cut small apple shape. Make 5 strips of paper using the colorful A4 paper and cut the strips. Place the cloud on the end upper of the trunk. Paste the apple on the leaf. Mold and cut the trunk to make a hole for each strip to go through. Remember to ask an adult to help you with the scissors and knife. Write 0 to 9 numbers on the first strip. Write plus and minus signs on the second strip. Write 0 to 9 numbers on the third strip. Write equal sign for the fourth strip. Write down numbers from 0 to 18 for the last hole. Now we are done. Let's try the apple tree math. 4 plus 5 equal to what? 9. 6 plus what equal to 13? 7. 8 minus 2 equal to what? 6. What minus 3 equal to 5? 8. Let's try to make our own math problem. I'm going to choose 8 plus 1 equals 9. I'm going to choose 5. 5 minus 4 equal 1. Okay, thank you. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe and share my video.